Okay, so let's go through the first problem. The name of the problem is multiples. Given two numbers A and B, print multiples if A is multiple of B or vice versa. Otherwise, print no multiples. So in this problem, what you have given, you have, oh, just a minute, let me move it here. In this problem, you have two numbers A and B. So what they have asked you, if A is a multiple of B, then you have to print multiple. If B is a multiple of A, you have to print multiple. If the condition does not hold, you have to print no multiple. Now what's mean by multiple? The multiple means that suppose you have some number like A. So this A should be made with B into X. What this X means? This X can be any number from 1 to infinity. So let's take one example. Suppose I have 8 and I have A is equals to 8. I have B is equals to 2. So will A is a multiple of B? Is A is a multiple of B? Yeah. Why A is a multiple of B? Because 2 into 4 will be equals to 8. If I give you something 15 and I ask you whether A is a multiple of B, whether A is a multiple of B. Yeah. Now, why A is a multiple of B? Because 5 into 3 will be equals to 15. So this means by multiple. Now you have two number A and B. Now how you will check whether A is a multiple of B or not, or whether B is a multiple of A or not? How you will check? Anyone?
If modulo is 0, then they are divisible. That means they are multiple.
Right. If A mod B will be equals to 0 or B mod A will be equals to 0, that means if this is true, that means A is a multiple of B. If this is true, that means B is a multiple of A. Is it right? Yeah. A mod B is 0, B mod A is 0, then that means these are multiples. And if this condition, any of this condition holds, this or this, you have to print a multiple, else you have to print no multiples. Is the problem is clear? Do you guys have any doubt in this problem? You can write in the text or you can unmute yourself. Okay, clear. Does this problem is clear for everyone? Okay. Just make this session interactive. Okay. Now, let's go through the code. So in this code, I have done the same thing what we have just now discussed. If X mod Y is equals to 0 or Y mod X is equals to 0, we just print multiple, else we print no multiple. Okay. Do you guys want this code? Okay. So the first problem is done. Let's move to the second problem. In this problem, given three numbers A, B, C, print this number in ascending order, followed by a blank line, and then the value in the sequence as they were written. Means basically what they are saying, you have three numbers. You have three numbers like A, B, and C. Now what you have to do, first you have to print this number in sorted order, in increasing sorted order. And after that, you have to print the same number how they were given in the input. For example, let's say I have this number 1, -2, and 3. Suppose this number was in the input. Then first I have to print this number in the sorted order. So can I say the sorted order of this number will be -2, 1, and 3 in increasing sorted order? Can I say this? Sir, one doubt. When we are submitting the code, just a minute. when we are submitting the code, how to see the test case which are actually we can't see the test case which are failed. Like see, suppose let me show you. In this problem, what's happened now? When you submit the code, then only the first test case you can see, and the second test case also you can see, but not all the test cases. For example, let me show you something. No, not this. Climbing. See, this gives me wrong answer on test case 2. So if I try to give this, then you can see these are the test cases, means the first test case. This is the first test case 1. This is the test case 2. So I can see the whole first test case. Why? Because this is too small. And this test case was given in the input itself. Now, when I try to see the test case 2, in this test case, what I can see only half of the part, not the full. Not the half. So I will say if the test case is 10,000, I can see mostly 10 to 20 test cases. Not after this. So I can only see this test cases, not what the test cases are below this. Like this is given like 3 dots. So I can't view it. Is it clear? Who was there? Is it clear? Which is the most efficient compiler related with C++ language? You can use any compiler. In the recent time, we are using this compiler, GNU C++17. There's one more compiler, GNU C++20, but it doesn't matter you use this compiler or C++20. I will show you that as well. If you see this compiler, there are GNU G++17 and 7.3.0. There's also GNU G++20 11.2.0, which is a 64-bit compiler. You can make use of first one also or the second one also. You can use this both one. Just don't use this 14 because it was the oldest version. So some of the functionality is not available in this one. So you can make use of this too.
How to submit the code for this problem?
Okay, how to submit the code? We will discuss this problem and we'll try to submit the problem as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Same runtime will same runtime will be there. There will be no runtime changes. Now we were on this problem. So I was asking whether this will be the increasing order of the sequence. Yes. Some more guys. Only Abhishek is there. Yes. Yeah. Cool. So first, what we have to do, we have to print the sorted order, and we have to print in this way: -2, then 1, then 3. And after that, we have to print this sequence, whatever was the input. Like it will be 1, -2, and 3. This first we have to print the sorted order, then the same input which we got. Is this problem statement is clear to everyone? Okay, yes. In and out. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me how we can solve this problem? Any approaches? How we can solve this problem?
I did it with if else only. Means
Okay.
first
Okay,
I
okay,
selected 3 inputs A, B, C. Then
Yeah.
I considered C as the least, and
Right,
then
right.
changed A and B. For example, like I wrote a statement: if C is less than equal to B is less than equal to A, then print
Got it.
C, B, A, and then I used permutations of different permutations and used else if and
Okay.
solved the problem.
So I think there will be more than 3 if statement, right?
Yes.
Okay, and someone is saying STL. Okay, STL taking an array or take use of array and then sort it. Okay, by comparing, I use STL. Okay, now see, we can solve this problem using STL using sort also. But if you have to solve this problem without using STL and without using sort, then the problem will be a bit tricky. Now let's see how we can solve this without using STL and without using sort. Let's say I have the number A, B, and C. First, I have to place this number into sorted order. Now let's say I will compare first these two numbers. If A is less than B, then it's okay. But if A is greater than B, then can I say I will swap this? Now, if I swap, A will be less than B. Does this condition make sense? If yes, okay. What this means, like I have three number A, B, C. I have to make this number such that A is less than B, B is less than C. I have to bring this them in this order. So can I say first I will compare these two numbers. If A is less than B, then I don't have to care about, because already A is less than B. I want this condition to be true. This condition. But if it is already satisfying, then I don't have to do anything. Now, if A is greater than B, then I will just make a swap. Now, if after making the swap, can I say A will be less than B? Now, I know that A is less than B. This condition is true. Now, let's move to this condition. If B is less than C, then can I say A will also be less than C? If B is less than C, can I say A will also be less than C? Yes. Now, if B is greater than C, now what if B is greater than C? Then what I will do, if B is greater than C, I will swap these two numbers. Now, can I say from this number, I can say B is less than C after swapping? This condition will be true. B is less than C after swapping. Yeah. Now, I have swapped this number, but I don't know whether now, after this swapping, I don't know whether A is less than B or A is greater than B. Right? Initially, I was known that B will be greater than A, but after swapping, I don't know whether B is greater than A or B is less than A. So I will compare these two also. Right? Yeah. Now let's take an example. I have 4, then I have 3, I have 2. I have this number. This will be my A, this will be my B, this will be my C. What I said, first I will check whether A is this condition, whether A is less than B or not. Because I want A to be less than B, B to be less than C. So if A is, I will check first condition whether A is less than B or not. No, A is not less than B. That means I have to swap this number. Now I make a swap. So my number will be 3, 4, 2. This will be my A, this will be my B, this will be my C. Now I move to this two number. I check whether B is less than C. No, B is also not less than C. That means here also I will make one swap. Now my number will be 3, 2, 4. This will be A, this will be B, this will be C. And after making this swap, I will check this also, whether A is less than B. No, A is not less than B. That means I will again swap. So 2, 3, 4. My A will be this, B will be this, C will be this. Is my number in sorted order? Is my number in sorted order? Do you guys get this approach?
Yeah.
Or do you have any doubt how this is working? Okay, got it. Yes, no doubt. Okay. Now let me show the code, and I will show how you can submit the code as well. So first you can see the code. This is the code. First I have taken the input of A, B, and C. Then I have copied that input into X, Y, and Z. Why I have copied? Because I have to keep the track of initial value as well. Then I have met this condition. If A is greater than B, then swap A and B. If B is greater than C, then swap C and B. If A is greater than B, then swap A and B. And after that, print A, B, C, and then print X, Y, Z. Because I have to keep, I have to print the original input as well. So I have put this A, B, and C into X, Y, and Z. Got it, got it. Now let's see how I can submit this code. Suppose I have copied this code. I'm standing on this problem statement. I'm standing on this problem statement. I have to submit this code. So you can see the submit code here. Do you guys see the submit code? What about using the macro? Yeah, you can make use of macro, but as this is your first class, so I will not tell you how you can make use of macro. So can't we directly? Yeah, we can directly use sort function. We can use sort function, but I was teaching you like without using sort function how you can solve this problem. Because this by using the sort function it will be very easy to solve. Right? Okay. So do you got this approach without using sort function? Okay. So I have copied the code. Now I can see a submit code. I will click on it. After clicking on it, it's asking me to choose the problem. Which problem I have to submit. So I will click on the problem. I will first click on the problem, and my problem name was sort number. T sort number. I will select this. Now it shows me like T sort number. From here, I have to now pick the languages. So I will pick the language G++ 17.7.3.0. After that, here I will paste the code. So whatever code I have copied, I will paste that code. This was the code. Now I paste that code, and below it I can see the submit button. Just I have to click on it. It's saying me you have submitted exact the same code before. Means in this code forces you can't submit the same code more than once. So I will do something. I will write something here without using. Now I'll try to submit the code. So if you submit the code, this is in the queue, and yeah, the code is accepted. Did you get how we can submit the code? Anyone have asked like how we can submit the code on code forces?
Okay, so we have to register it. Okay, that I have not done. So I'm not able to see the edit
Sorry?
area. No, we have to register, right, for code forces. That's why.
Right. I submitted 3 questions, but there are multiple errors in my submission. Does it affect like anybody? No. It will not affect. You can make any number of wrong submission, but if you are practicing on the code forces, it will not affect your performance. But in the contest, it will affect your performance. Okay. Now let's move to the third problem. Where was the problem? Okay, this was the starting. Okay, let me pick the problem again. Can anyone send the link of the third problem? They are 2 out of. Okay. Out of context question. How long are you computing at code question? How much time will it finish? This is the general question, Ankit. We'll try to answer this question after the DR. So please try to solve the problem taking string. Okay. Let's open the problem. Okay, summation of the last digit. First I will solve. Okay, yeah, sure. First I will solve this problem by using number, then we will solve this problem by using string. So what they have given, you have to just print. You have given AND and M. You have to print the summation of last digit. Means this digit and this digit. So let's come to the blackboard. Suppose I have a number something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a number 6, 7, 8, 9. What I have to do, I have to pick the last digit from this. I have to pick the last digit from this. And after that, I have to print 5 plus 9 which will be equals to 14. Okay.
जीत देखना जीत देखना
Is it clear?
14,000
Or 10. Okay. The range of the int is 10 raised to 9. So now how you can find the last digit of the problem? Sorry, last digit of a number. So suppose you have this number. What you have to do, suppose you have this number. You just have to do it modulo 10. If you do it modulo 10, you will get the last digit of this number. From this, you can remove the last digit. Same for this number as well. You do, suppose this is B, just do B modulo 10, you will get the last digit. And just you have to add that both the last digits. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this problem? Okay. So let's see the code. So see, I have taken both the number in the input A, B, and just A mod 10, B mod 10 will be my answer, plus B mod 10. Now let's see how we can solve this problem using string. Suppose in my string, this is my string. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my string. I have 6, 7, 8. Now, what I can do, I want the last digit of this number. So can I say if this will be my A string and this will be my B string, if I do A dot size, what I will get for this? Five. Okay. And for this, B dot
3.
size. So can I say from this I got 3, from this I got 5. So can I say A of 4 and B of 2 will represent the last digit? Yes. Now the A of 4, now this was the whole string, but this A of 4 is a character. This is also a character. Am I right? Yeah. A dot size minus 1. Can I say now this A dot A of 4 and B of 2 is a character? Now for this character, I can't do directly A of 4 plus B of 4. I can't do this. This is wrong. See, the string is a collection of characters. String is a collection of character. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, if from this string, if I remove the last, so can I say this will be a character? This will be a character. 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 And the combination of all characters will create a string. Yeah, individual character. Now, I have this character, I have this character. I can't do directly A of 4 plus B of 2. Now, do you guys know about ASCII value? ASCII value. Does anyone know about ASCII value? Yes. Yes. Just tell me who don't know about ASCII value. Just write -1 in the chat. -1. Okay. Okay. Let me explain what is the ASCII value. So in programming language, this character have some ASCII value. If I show you the ASCII table, ASCII value. The ASCII value is basically this. This is the character A. It has some ASCII value. ASCII value means it is associated with a integer value. This is B. This also have a integer value which will denote this B. So the ASCII value of A is 97. The ASCII value of B is 98. The ASCII value of C is 99. Let me show you the table. So you can see this table. This is the ASCII value. If you check where is A, so you will get character A. You will get A here. Is this A is visible to everyone? This A is visible to everyone. So this A have the ASCII value of A is 97. The ASCII value of B is 98. ASCII value of C is 99. So as you can see, these are the small alphabets. What about the capital letters? You can see here the capital letter A. The capital letter A have the ASCII value 65. Capital letter B have the ASCII value 66, then 67, then 68. This is as the following. Now, this was for the character. What about the integers? Let's see. This is the character integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 has the ASCII value 48. 1 have the ASCII value 49. 2 have 50, then 51, then 52. These are the ASCII value for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this ASCII values clear? Okay. For whom it was not clear, now they know what is the ASCII value. Lakshay. Okay. So now can I say, let's go to this. Can I say my A of 4 is 5. So let's try to find, this is the character 5. Okay, this is the character 5. This is not our integer 5. This is character 5. This both have the difference. This 5 and this 5 have a difference. This is the character 5. This is the integer 5. Am I right? Now, this is, can I replace this A of 4 by this 5? And this B of 2 by, what is B of 2? By this 8. Can I replace this? Yes. Now let's come to here. 5 plus 8. What it will give? Now this addition will be based on the ASCII value of these two numbers, two characters. Now let's see what is the ASCII value of 5 and let's see what is the ASCII value of 8. The ASCII value of 5 is something 53 and the ASCII value of 8 is 56. So this will be 53 plus 56. So it will give you something 109. The addition of these two will be 109, but I don't want this answer. We want 5 plus 8, that should be 13. But I got 109. Now, how to convert this ASCII into integer? Can I say if this is 53, this is 53, what will be the ASCII of 0? Let's see what is the ASCII of 0. The ASCII of 0 is 48. So if I subtract this 5 minus 0, can I say I will get 53 minus 48, which will be 5. Will I get this? 5. Okay. Now, up to here, who don't understand? Okay, repeat. The ASCII value of this 5 is 53, right? Akash?
Yes, sir.
ASCII value of 5 is 53. Is it right? Okay. And what is the ASCII value of this 0? What is the ASCII value of 0? 48. So if I subtract 53 minus 48, will I get 5? Will I get 5? I don't think there is a way. We have to do in this way only, by subtracting. This is only the way. No, typecasting will not work. Typecasting will not work. Okay. Now I got this 5 from here. same from this, for this 8 minus 0, I will get ASCII value of 8 is 56, ASCII value of 0 is 48. So 56 minus 48, it will be 8. So now can I add them up? 5 plus 8, which will be 13. Is this clear? Okay, got it. Anyone have doubt in this? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat, or you can unmute yourself as well. If it is clear to everyone, just write in the chat, or else you can ask your doubt so that we can end the.
Hello,
Yeah.
hello. Can you? Yeah, is I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, sir. How did you come up with the approach like solving it with the
Your voice is breaking.
is it the time
Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you. Is this for me only, or everyone face the same issue? Is this for me only? Same. Yeah, your voice is breaking. You can write in the chat as well.
Hello. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I have I have the
That's-
yeah. So, sir, what was the reason to solve this using string? It was this. Is it the time complexity, or it was something like means how
What was?
what is the reason to solve this question with the string, like converting the string to ASCII and then converting ASCII to integer?
There was not any motive, but you will get to learn from this problem that how you can convert from character to int. You will get to learn about this, how you can
Okay.
convert from character to int, because this will be needed in the harder problem as well. This technique is used in the harder problem as well. So this
Okay.
problem, if you solve this problem by this way, you will just get to learn this technique.
So this approach don't mean that the time complexity will differ so much, but it's
No.
real motive is to know about the technique to convert the string into integer.
Yeah. The time complexity will not affect this problem,
Okay.
but there was this was the motive.
Okay. And the last part is that when you have subtracted the character with the 0 character, that's the only way to convert the ASCII to integer. Am I right?
Yeah. I know this only way. I don't know whether the another way exists or not. Just a general question. How much error will be I have to like I have from 800 to 1000, you can solve each level 50 problem. 850 problem, 950 and 1050 problems. That will be sufficient. Yeah, this is exactly true. After some time, you will remember the ASCII of some characters, and this will help you to solve the problem as well. Means after some time, you don't have to go on the internet and check for this small things like what is the ASCII value of this character, what is the ASCII value of this. Okay, so any other doubt? Can you please send Meet ID and password? Okay. I think the Meet ID and password was shared in this as well. No, it was not shared. Okay, from next time I will take this there. What about the A to Z question? Which A to Z question? Okay, from next time I will send the ID password. What are the common topic there are? There is not a specific topic which are asked in the div 2 A and B. This is math, basically strings, math. This topic are based on this, like number theory. No. This number theory topic is pretty advanced. It will be in C, D as well, not in A and B. Yeah. In this problem set there is A to Z problem. It's not hard. By practice, you will get it easy. It does not depend. It depends on person to person that how much time it will take to reach pupil. We can't fix this numbers because there are some people who reach pupil in 1 month as well. There are some people who reach pupil in 1 year as well. So this is not a fixed number in CP. Yeah, you can solve that problem. Okay, I have not shown the code for this problem. Which code you mean? String code. You have to give each and every contest. Don't miss any of the contests. Okay, let me show you the string code. I have to write the code.
Sir, how to
Your voice is not clear.
am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yeah, sir. So how to check where do we have to use int and where do we have to use long int? Because I
Int.
searched for the range on Google, but on Google it shows the range in the powers of 2. And usually in the contest, the constraints are given in the powers of 10. So I'm confused in that.
So 2 raised to 32. This means 10 raised to 2 raised to 63 means 10 raised to 18. This will give you the rough idea. Int range is 0 to this and long range is 0 to this.
Yeah. 2 to power 32. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So we have find the last character. Then from last character, we will just do x is equals to. Okay, this is the last character. From last character minus 0. From this, we will find last character minus 0. After this, we will just have x plus. It was problem of T. No, not T. Which problem it was? The last 2 digits. Right?
F5.
Right, minus 0. Yeah, I have written minus 0. No? Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Line number 8. In this 8, we have basically find the last character of this A. And if we got the last character, we have converted it into integer by just subtracting with minus with character 0. You can write it in this way as well. You have find int x, then int y. You have find the last character and you have just converted it into integer. Is it clear, Gaurav? compilation error. Why? String is string. String was not declared. Okay, let's make it as. For including string, do we need string? Capital S. No. Okay, let's declare it. Let's use some different method. Why string was not F problem it was. No, it is giving string. Yes. Int main string was not declaring the score. String was not.
Is it because the problem type was F?
Sorry,
Problem type was F.
problem type. Okay, the input are in the space separated word. How is the input?
Sir, I guess the number of question is a mistake.
Okay,
Problem
yeah,
type is F.
Problem number F.
yeah, we submitted. What is the name of the problem?
F, sir, F.
Okay, digits. We can use bit std.h. Yeah. Mostly in CP we use this header file only. Because if we use this header file, we don't have to include any other header. So is it clear to everyone?
So in the problems, what are those sheet 1, sheet 2, contest 1, contest 2 in the page?
Where?
In the main page,
In the main page. Means
in
right.
the
Okay,
the
this-
code forces.
this
Yes,
this
yes,
sheet,
yes. Yeah.
this sheet is basically if you have to learn the data type, then this sheet you can prefer. Sheet 2 will be for loop, then array, then string, then function, geometry, recursion. These are the type of sheet.
So all the daily practice problem set is from this set
Yeah.
only, right?
From this as well, or it will depend on the tutor. It will be from this set as well, or from code forces, or I think it will be from AdCoder as
Okay. So contest 1 means is another set is there.
well. I don't know about the contest one. Oh, whatever you have learned, you have to just now solve this contest to see how clear your what I can say.
So does we have to attend post-contest discussion?
Sorry.
Does we have to attend post-contest discussion?
Post contest discussion depends on you. If you have given the contest and you failed to solve, so suppose you solve a problem, but the B problem was not solved by you, then you can attend the post contest discussion to see how to solve that B problem.
The solutions also available here in this code.
No, I don't think for this problem the solution are available.
Sir, is the recording for the DR is available?
Yeah, the recording for the DR will be provided.
Where I can see the recording in the
On the
sub-level.
on the website only, you are able to generally able to solve. Who are able to generally solve problem A. The problem A depends, like if you are newbie also, then also you are able to solve. But most of the time, newbie the 900 or sorry, not 900, person who has 800, 900 rating on the code forces, they are also able to solve this problem. So we can discuss this general discussion in the discussion channel as well, because this class will be of too long. We have to provide the recording as well.
Sir, how to search the best problem on code forces? Like there are too many problems. 800 rating, 900 rating.
You can't do this thing. You can't search the best problem. Just try to solve the recent problem. That will be the best.
Sir, the ID setup for the CP will be taught on the next class, or?
No, it will not be taught. You have to miss basically after 2 to 3 months when you do CP, then you will get to know by your own only. Okay. So let's end this meet. Have a great day. Goodbye. I'm ending the meet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm not able to end.